Guys, here's my neighbor's Trane XR. Welcome to cooling season, guys. Welcome back to cooling season. Here is my neighbor's 2015 Trane XR running for the first time. I heard it turn on. My camera was charging, so I couldn't get the startup. Usually I never get the startup though, because I never know when it's going to turn on, but here it is running for the very first time in 2024. Maybe next year I'll get it starting up, like actually starting up on for the first time. If I know it's a warm enough day. There's the Trane. Yeah, it is. There. Running in cool mode for the first time. Our unit is next. The York has not ran yet. I'm not sure when that's going to turn on. It's a little bit too cold. It's 62 degrees right now. Okay, still in 15 2.5 ton. And Gentech motor. It's probably getting cold. Yeah. There it is, running for the first time in 2024. So yeah. And then after this, my Bryant is next. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Over and out.